So hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As you can see, I am somewhere out and I am not in my home. Currently I am walking through a route and I am going to a park for playtime. So as you can see here, we have a water bottle and I am going to the park now for the playtime. So this will be a full vlog or full video of my playtime. Just continue in the video and watch till the end. So guys, let me show you my route. So guys, this is my route. As you can see here, all cars are there. So guys, I will meet you when I am near the park. And guys, I am holding this bottle in my left hand because as you know, every person's left hand will be a bit weak. So I am holding this bottle in my left hand because I should get my left hand stronger, that's why. So guys, as you can see, here just now I have crossed that big road. It's kind of a main road, but it's not a main road. So I am just a few steps or a few minutes near the park. I'll meet you there. And I'm not coming on cycle because I need to vlog, and if the camera falls from my hand, it will be a much expense. So I'll meet you at the park. So guys, I don't know if you are seeing or not, but some children are playing cricket that side, and that's because in the park there's not much space, and in the park children will play badminton, that's why. So guys, as you can see, we have arrived. This is the park here. So now let's enter the park. So guys, as you can see, I have arrived to the park, and this behind is the boundary of the park, and here we have so many slides and rides, as you can see. And the ride on the left is on which me and Yamin do exercises to increase our height, and that is one monkey bar, and there is another the same thing to increase our height, and there we have something loop on which we can crawl and do. There we have a slide, and there we have something which I don't know the name of. And if you have seen some people playing there, so that is the ground. Guys, I am on this thing, and now I'm going to stretch on this, and I'm doing this because I need to increase my height. So I'm doing it from here, and if I do from here, I might hit the camera while stretching, so that's why I am doing it from here. So here I have started it, and I am stretching on this, and I can't stand for a long time on this because my hands might slip while doing it. So guys, now it's Yamin's turn. Let's see him doing it. So guys, now Yamin is going on this thing, and now he also started stretching, and he will do it for a long time because he can stop himself by this thing, but if I stop, I'll get hurt on my leg, that's why. So guys, as you can see, now I am not in the park. The park is behind there. I don't know if you saw it or not, but now I am going back to my home because now it's getting dark and I need to go home before it's dark. So let's go. So guys, again I have crossed that road which is there behind. Now I have a long way to go. So guys, I have worn a watch also because I need to keep the track of time, and I will give you a review of this watch in another vlog. So guys, on my left side some kids are playing cricket. So guys, those are them, and they are playing cricket. Now I have only two turns to go to my home. So I'll meet you after I did the second turn. So guys, I have made the second turn, and now my home is just a few steps front. So I'll meet you after I arrive. So guys, I have arrived home. Hope you like this vlog. Please share, subscribe, like. I'll meet you in another vlog. Till then, take care and bye-bye.